In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message on Zangi. If you're new to the app or just need a quick refresher, this walkthrough will make sending your first message simple and stress-free. We'll go from opening the app to delivering your text, with helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening Zangi on your phone. Look for the Zangi app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap it to launch. Make sure your internet connection is stable, whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data, so your message sends right away without delays. Once Zangi is open, choose the person you want to message. You can do this in two easy ways. The first is through the Contacts tab, where you'll see your Zangi contacts listed. Scroll to find the person you want. The second method is to use the search bar to look up their name or Zangi ID if they're already saved. If you don't immediately see them, double-check the spelling and that they're in your Zangi contacts. Keeping your contacts organized helps you find people faster the next time. Tap the contact's name to open a chat window with them. This brings you to the conversation screen. If you've messaged this person before, you'll see your previous messages here. If not, the chat will be clean and ready for your first note. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right chat so your message reaches the intended person. Now, type your message in the text input box at the bottom of the chat. Tap inside the box to bring up your keyboard, then write your message clearly. You can keep it short and simple, or add details for clarity. If you'd like to set a friendly tone, you can use emojis from your keyboard. Before sending, glance over your text to check for typos or anything you didn't mean to include. When you're ready, hit send. The send button usually looks like a small paper plane or arrow icon next to the text box. Tap it once, and your message will appear in the conversation. If your connection is solid, it should send quickly. If it doesn't go through right away, give it a moment and make sure you're still connected to the internet. That's it. You've successfully sent a message on Zangi. With these basics down, you can communicate confidently and keep your conversations moving. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.